welcome to Summer Shape Up. We're in week 7 and 8. We're completing 5 exercises for today. Today is day 2 of the home workout. So all we need for today's workout is an exercise mat, exercise band or tubing, and then we also need a chair. So the plan for today's workout, we're completing a total body workout, and the first exercise that we'll need to accomplish is the walking lunge. So make sure there's enough room upstairs, downstairs, living room, wherever you feel comfortable doing these lunges so you won't hurt yourself. So for the walking lunge, we'll start nice, tall, upright position. Big step forward. Okay, so we'll stay on that same leg as we step forward. Another tip, if you want to challenge yourself as far as balance, you can simply lift the leg up where the knee is aligned with the hip, and then take a step forward. Lift the knee up to hip height. Take a step forward. Okay, just like so. So either way, just make sure you can get at least 10 reps. And after you're done with that leg, just move on to the other leg, and that will be one set, 10 reps per leg. Now the next exercise we're going to get into, we're going to use our exercise mat. We're going to get into the T push-up. Okay? So the T push-up is a great core and shoulder mobility exercise. So remember, on this particular push-up, as you rotate to the right, rotate to the left, complete your push-up, that's 1 repetition. So our goal is to get a total of 10 repetitions, and then we move on to the next exercise. So now, for the back, we're going to need to use exercise tubing. And you can place this around the leg of a chair or table, anything that's pretty sturdy. So we're going to place this around here. Okay. So this exercise is called the Y raise. So this is a great exercise to really work on the muscles that support the spine and really help with posture. So the most important thing with this exercise is to make sure that you keep your arms straight throughout the movement so you're not using or depending too much on other muscles. Okay? Now, a good tip here is to keep your shoulder joint bent where your forearms start parallel to the floor. So this is the start position, and as you lift overhead, you're pulling very light, okay? Just to the point where your hands are up about 120, 130 degrees, and then back down. Once again, it's very important to start from here, start position, and then to here. There's no need to bring your arms all the way back because that can cause an additional wear and tear on the band and it may actually snap. Okay? All right, now the next movement, we'll need a chair, and you can use a low step table or anything where you can prop your feet on. So we have the chair here. So we get into the chair dip to strengthen the back of the arms and triceps. All right. So my legs are fairly straight, hands on the end of the seat. So let's say, for example, that our goal is to get 15 reps, and we start out by getting 6 or 7, and you start for T with your legs straight. It's okay to complete the repetitions. So say if you're at 7, and you want to complete your reps, so we have 8 more to go. So you just place your feet on the floor, and then continue your repetitions just like that. Once again, the main goal is to get your desired reps either way you want to do it. We can do it all in a row with your feet up, or if you can't do it, then place your feet on the floor and continue on with your reps. Now, the final exercise, we're working the core, we're going to need an exercise mat. So we'll start lying down on the floor, palms down, head down. So this exercise is called the leg raise. Start position is here. Bring the legs down where the heels are short of touching the floor, and then drive up. So tip, make sure that you press your lower back into the floor as you lower your legs, and also make sure you keep your core muscles tight as you bring your legs up. You definitely want to prevent hyperextension of the spine or an excessive arch in your back as you lower your legs. That can put some compression on your disc and your spine, and definitely we don't want that. So once again, get your desired reps, 10 to 15 reps, however many number of reps you get on the first set. Make sure you're able to get it on the second and third set. So once we complete these 5, we'll start the circuit again, get your desired reps, and then we'll have our day 2 workout complete.